Hello guys, we use my phone Tecno Spark 8C. This version 4GB RAM memory and 64GB internal memory in the black color, model KG5K. Okay, open box, look completion. In completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging, micro USB cable and key for SIM slot. Okay, device made of plastic. On the back side, double camera LED fingerprint scanner. On this side, power key worn case. On this side, slot for 2 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Downside types micro USB port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. We have HD display resolution, display IPS. Mali G57 this is GPU, Android 11, GPU, Unisoc Tiger T606, octa-core processor, 4+4 cores. Okay, look results, single core score and multi-core score, and look GPU test results. Close this. Open Antutu benchmark. We have 90 Hz display. Antutu benchmark results. Close this. Game works good. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Main camera 13 megapixels and second camera 0.2 megapixel. Okay, and now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.